How to fix this publisher has been blocked from running software error on Windows. 1. Unblock the application using file properties. 2. Manage and unblock the publisher, delete untrusted publishers from Internet options. 3. Install the application using the command prompt, admin mode. 4. Disable smart screen. Filter temporarily, by disabling check apps and files and potentially unwanted app blocking under reputation-based protection settings in app and browser control.